Hi, I'd like to talk to you about an exciting new product we've been working on called Aetherspark. Aetherspark is a file browser, storage, and transfer system that runs on the Apple iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. When you first launch Aetherspark, you'll notice it has several functions. With it, you can browse files, send files, and receive files from other devices. You can also use it to mount your mobile device as a disk from any operating system. This video covers the browsing features of Aetherspark. For more information on file transfer and mounting your device as a disk, please see the other videos. If you click the Select menu item on the tab bar, you will be presented with a browsing interface which is optimized for a multi-touch environment, but still familiar enough for intuitive operation. There are two main components to the browser interface, the control bar and the file container. The control bar tells you your current location and information about that location. It also contains the action button that allows you to perform various operations, a cover flow button, and a close button. The file container shows the files and folders in the current directory. In Aetherspark, files and folders are represented by virtual documents and stacks that you can drag around and physically manipulate. For instance, I can grab this PDF and rotate, zoom, or move it around. If I want to get information about the document, I can hit the Information button in the top left. This will bring up the Info View screen, which will show me the name of the document and information about the document. It will also show me a preview of the document that I can explore. I can also rename the file if I like. If I want to open the document, I just double tap it and it will open to full screen. If I have a lot of documents that I want to browse through, I can move into cover flow and view the files just like I were viewing my music albums. If I select a file, it will open in full screen view. Folders in Aetherspark can be manipulated in their own unique ways. If I want to see a preview of the items in a folder, I can pinch zoom on the folder and the icons will fan out. If I want to open the folder, I can just pinch zoom out farther. If I want, I can also double tap on a stack to open it. As you can see, I left my school documents in a state of disarray. Fortunately, Aetherspark allows me to clean them up easily. I can organize them into a neat pile, or I can have them laid out nicely. Aetherspark also has all the functionality you'd expect from a desktop file browser. You can select files simply by clicking on them. When a file or folder is selected, its edges will turn red. If I want to copy them, I simply hit the Action button and click Copy. If I want to paste them elsewhere, I navigate to that directory, click the Action button, and select Paste. These are just a few of the many features that Aetherspark has to offer. To learn more, download it today and try it for yourself.